kind of parent takes their children to go play with a passed out man in the park? Well, if you're in Valencia, Spain, it's actually a pretty cool thing to do. Gulliver Park is one of the most popular playgrounds in the city. Adults can't stop themselves from joining in and having a blast. This huge, 70-meter-long fiberglass attraction features one part of Jonathan Swift's classic adventure novel, Gulliver's Travels. After his ship is wrecked and while passed out on the beach, in a far-off land inhabited by really tiny people, Gulliver gets tied down to the sand. In this scenario, you get to be the tiny Lilliputians, climbing and playing all over the gigantic body of poor Gulliver. There's slides, rope bridges. Just be careful in the summer because the surface can get quite hot. Oh! Ow! That's what you call burnt culo. Culo tostada. Trampy's the only one that didn't get a burnt butt.